If you are tired of using tools like BioRender, SiteDraw, or Adobe Illustrator for generating scientific figures or images, then this video is for you. Because in this video, I will share with you one powerful AI tool using which you can generate high quality scientific images and illustrations using simple text prompts. And most importantly, you can use these figures in your papers, review articles, theses, and presentations. So watch the video till the end. But first, look at these images. All these images are generated using AI with text prompts or from simple handmade rough sketches. Look at the quality, the detail, the flow, the alignment, and text within every image. If you manually do these using conventional tools, it would take you several hours and even weeks. The most important thing is that all the images I am showing here are taken from published research papers and review articles like MDPI, Springer, and other journals. You can read in the acknowledgement sections, footnotes, or methodology that they all have used FigureLabs as AI tool for generating these images. All these papers are published, which means the publishers allow the usage of AI tools for generating scientific images, provided you are transparent, giving proper acknowledgement, and verify the accuracy of entire figure and text. You can see that all these authors have disclosed the name and purpose of AI tool used in their papers. This way, you can ethically and safely use this AI tool for generating figures for research papers, reviews, theses, posters, and even presentations. Although there are hundreds of AI image generators, most of them hallucinates and generates inaccurate images and must be avoided in academia. Also go through the individual journal or university guidelines about generative AI usage. This way you can be more sure about AI usage. And if you want to have a step-by-step demonstration of FigureLabs, do check out this detailed tutorial. And if you have any questions or doubts regarding FigureLabs, post them in the comments and I will reply.